Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to add the widget to the lock screen in this device. So in this device now I will show you how to add the widget. First of all, go to the lock screen. Now press and hold the lock screen. Okay, so here you can see the option add widgets. Tap on this one. So here you can see some categories of widget, and from here you can easily add this widget to your lock screen. Okay, so here I am going to select the widget camera. You can select any one from here. I'm going to add this one. Now I am going to add the battery. Calendar also I am going to add. The widget area is full, so we can add only this one. After edit this one, tap on done on the top right side. You can see changes apply to lock screen. You can see the lock screen widget is changed. Now we successfully added the lock screen widget to this device. Right? So simply in this way we can add the lock screen widget in this device. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye-bye.